So today we are going to discuss about noble gases. So generally noble gases are belong to zero group. That is noble gases elements are belong to zero group or 8th A group, 8th A group or 18th group. What is the 18th group in the long form of the periodic table. So noble gases are belong to zero group or 8th A group or 18th group in the long form of the periodic table. So this group consists of 6 elements. It consists of 6 elements. 6 elements. They are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So now these elements are helium He, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xe and radon Rn. Helium He, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xe and radon Rn. So its atomic numbers. So helium atomic number is 2. 2 plus 8, 10. Neon atomic number 10. 10 plus 8, argon atomic number 18. 18 plus 18, 36, krypton. 36 plus 18, 54, xenon. 54 plus 32, 86 is the radon. So these are the atomic numbers. Helium 2, neon 10, argon 18, krypton 36, xenon 54, radon 86. So in a neutral atom, atomic number equal to number of electrons. Now electronic configuration of these elements with respect to nearest noble gases. So helium is 1s2, simply it is 1s2. So neon is based on noble gases helium, that is helium with atomic number 2. 1s2 is complete. So next one is 2s2 and 2p6. 2s2, 2p6. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. So the next one is argon. Nearest noble gas is neon. What is neon? It is 10. So then it is 3s2, 3p6. 3s2, 3p6. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So next one is krypton. Nearest noble gas is argon. What is argon? So argon is 18. 18. Next one is 3d10. What is 3d10? 4s2, 4p6. 4s2, 4p6. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. So now next element is xenon. So then krypton 36. Krypton 36. It is 3d10. It is 4d10. 4d10. It is 5s2, 5s2, 5p6. What is 5s2, 5p6? 36 plus 10, 46. 46 plus 2, 48. 48 plus 6, 54. So next one is radon. So radon is xenon. Xenon is 54. Xenon 54. It is 3d10. It is 4d10. So next one is 4f14. So it is 5d10. What is 5d10? Next 6s2, 6p6. 6s2, 6p6. So then 54 plus 14, 68. 68 plus 10, 78. 78 plus 2, 80. 80 plus 6, 86. So now wherein after completion of nearest noble gas, so then helium with 2 electrons. So then S subshell is completely filled. From neon to radon, outermost shell is completely filled because 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6. So then its outermost shell, that is NSNP, is completely filled. So its general electronic configuration is NS2 NP6. NH2 NP6. So S subshell with 2 electrons, P subshell with 6 electrons. It is completely filled. So 8 electrons are present in its valency shell. This configuration is octet configuration. But it is the octet configuration. So due to octet configuration, so these elements are not involved in any chemical reactions. So these are chemically inactive, not active. These are chemically inactive. So except helium. So what is the helium general electronic configuration? NH2, because helium consists of only 2 electrons. So it is NH2. So except helium, remaining all noble gases general electronic configuration NH2 NP6. What is NH2 NP6? So then its general electronic configuration is NH2 NP, what is 6. So then helium is what is NH2. Helium is NH2. Okay, helium is NH2. So then outermost shell is completely filled. S with 2 electrons, P with 6 electrons. So these are chemically inert. So these elements also known as inert gases. What is inert gases? Inert gases. These elements also known as what is inert gases. So now in these elements all are gases. So in the total periodic table, the group which consists of all gases is only the zero group elements. So then all elements are all elements. What is all elements are gases. What is gases? So then these gases are present in atmosphere in monoatomic state, not diatomic, triatomic. So all elements are gases with monoatomic. What is monoatomic? So monoatomic means only one atom is present. Helium means He, neon Ne, argon Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xe, radon what is Rn. All are the monoatomic gases. So helium, it is monoatomic. He2 is not exist. For example, Ne2 is not exist because these are chemically inactive, not participate in any chemical reactions. So these are all the monoatomic gases. Okay. So then generally these elements are colorless, odorless and tasteless. So these are colorless. What is these elements are colorless, comma tasteless, colorless, comma tasteless, and also odorless. Odor means smell. So these are the odorless gases. Okay. So these are the odorless gases. So now these elements does not involve in any chemical reactions. So these elements not involved in any oxidizing reactions. So these elements cannot, what is it? Cannot involve, cannot, these elements are cannot involve, cannot be oxidized. What is cannot be oxidized. Okay. So and also these elements cannot be involved in, so then cannot be involve. What is it? Cannot be involve in combustion reactions as well as burning reactions. Cannot be involved in combustion. So combustion reactions and also burning reactions. What is a burning reactions? So noble gases cannot be involved in combustion and burning reactions. Okay. So then next one is its some characteristic properties are generally in noble gases down the group from top to bottom atomic number increases, atomic size what happens increases. So down the group atomic size what happens increases. So due to increasing atomic size And also in noble gases, van der Waals forces are present. Van der Waals radiuses are present. Van der Waals forces means weak forces. So due to very weak intermolecular attractions, interatomic attractions, and also van der Waals forces, then its boiling and melting points are decreases from top to bottom. So size increases, melting points and boiling points are very low. Okay, so noble gases with low boiling points and melting points due to large size, same as weak van der Waals forces are present. Weak van der Waals forces, van der Waals forces are present. Forces are present. So then low melting and boiling points are present. And also generally, these elements ionization potential or ionization energy. So then, very high ionization energies are present. High ionization, very high ionization energy of the noble gases. Why ionization energy is more? Ionization energy means the minimum amount of energy is required removal of electron. So now all the noble gases with NH2 NP6 stable electronic configuration, it is a stable electronic configuration. So helium is NH2. So due to stable electronic configuration, removal of electron from stable electronic configuration is very difficult. Very large amount of energy is required. So noble gases with a high ionization energy due to NH2 NP6 stable electronic configuration. Now next important point is what is its electron affinity values are 0. So then these elements with 0 electron affinity, 0 electron affinity. So what is electron affinity? So then the amount of energy is released when an electron is added to outermost orbit of the atom. So generally noble gases with stable electronic configuration, there is no need of the electrons are added to the noble gases. So electron affinity of the noble gases elements are 0. It means these elements are not ready to gain of electron, same as not ready to lose of electrons. So it cannot form cations as well as anions. It cannot form cations as well as anions.